Check 1 2. Okay, hi guys. Hello guys. It's your boy again, KINGJEZLA, and so today I'm here. I want to teach you something. Today we are going to learn about how to play Rhumba. Yeah, today we are going to do Rhumba. How to play Rhumba. Yeah, so Rhumba, it's just easy, and it's something that you can learn. Something that you can learn from scratch. Yeah, it's very easy. So I'll just start. Yeah, I'll just start. So you have to hold your sticks like this with your left hand. Uh, it's called a rim shot. Yeah, rim shot. To a position where you find an amazing sound like, yeah. And your right hand will be playing your hi-hat. Okay, like so. We are just going to start. It's a slow rumba, a very simple one. So we will go 1 2 3 1 2. Yeah, like that. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Now your right hand. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So you make sure you have coordination between your left hand and your right hand. That's all that matters. So we start again. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So now we are going to apply the kick. 1 2 3. Just slowly. We start with one kick. 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3. So even at times you can just play Rhumba just like that. That's like slow Rhumba. With my pianist, he can just play something. So like that, just simple. One, two, three, four. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Yeah, so it's just that easy. Like 1 2 3. You can even play with your pedal, with your kick continuously. Like it's just the same thing. Yeah, so it's just that simple. That's how to play for just a beginner. That's how you can start playing the Rhumba. So right now, I want to teach you something. some sounds you hear in drumming, like the conga sounds, the one that you can hear a drummer playing the drums. Then there's somebody playing the conga like dundu 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 dundu. Yeah, something like that. If I say that, I hope you understand. Yeah, so it's like, so this one now, the way you're going to be playing your hi-hat will now be different. Like, let's say a little bit advanced. Yeah, so you'd like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. The same way you are playing the snare, you will just keep it like that. You'll just be playing that way. But in your on your hi-hat, you're going to play, blah blah blah. You're going to play differently. Yeah, so like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just like that. You're going to be doing like that, like that, like that. So now we are going to try it again. Yeah, so like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now to apply the conga, you're going to be doing like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So the things that I'm doing here, you just play around. When you've mastered this one, you can just play around with the toms. Yeah, it's just about playing around with the toms, just applying something new. So I'll start. I'll try with my pianist. Yeah, a little bit, so you can hear the way it sounds. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can play here continuously. There are different ways you can play your hi-hats. So we are going to try this one. And 1, 2, 3. How does it sound? Sweet. Very smooth. That way. Yeah, so it's just that simple. Imagine knowing something like that. Yeah. And in anywhere you go and play, like let's say in church or in a gig, you can just try it. You can just play it like that. Very simple. That's the simplest way of playing rumba. Yeah, there are just uh, other types of rumba. That lesson we are going to do it another time. So just today we are going to do, but this one here is the simple way of playing rumba. So you can try it. Yeah, you can just try it, and you can leave a comment there and tell me which part has been kind of hard to you, and I'll just repeat. Yeah. So it's just like that. So we are going to do it again. And one. Okay. Listen. A big tune. Like that. Some good sound. Some good sound. Yeah, so thank you guys for your time. It has been KINGJEZLA here. Yeah, so we are going to be learning each and every time some different things. Yeah, so make sure you try and keep on subscribing, share to your friends. Yeah, and all will be well. I love you, and may God bless you every time. Till next time, bye.